Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Bonk video update today. It's been a while I haven't talked about Bonk, but I think yes, let me give you some few comments. Now, I want to start off with the 4-hour time frame here, and it does look to me like Bonk has broken and retested, right? So you have one touch, two touch, three touch, a break above, a retest. Now, what I'm hoping really is I get to see Bonk moving up to 3901 and try to get to a new technical target. I'm just going to I want to make sure that I'm actually getting the trend line right over here. Actually, you know what? The retest is kind of unsuccessful, not even successful. So if we take the trend line wicks, and we have to be very very careful with trend lines, because if the trend lines are wrong, you're going to get everything wrong. So right now I do notice that you are not properly closing above the line itself. You can see that it's actually a close below the line. Majority of the candles are below the line, but you're making some fake out to try to push above. So I don't really see the breakout still being successful, even though it does look a little bit successful. So you have to be careful. It's a very tiny mistake that you can make. And I think that the moment it's going to be successful is maybe if we try to get above 2880. So if you do try to get and go all the way up here and you try to make it above, then you might see Bonk literally pushing all the way up to 3901, because from here I think the price are going to be successful. Even better checks is actually to get above 2978. So if you get up to 2978, I think you might be moving to the upside. Keep in mind, on the daily you also have a little bit of this pattern called bearish engulfing. So you're making a bad pattern again to probably go down. And remember, based on history, when you made a bad candle, you went down like this, you touched it, you went down again, you touched it here and you went down again. So this moment you have to be careful one more time, unless we don't really get above here, retest, and go all the way to the upside. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.